Hey guys, it's Sharkshe and welcome back to my channel. So if you're true to YouTube, if you're specifically into beauty related videos, then you might have seen all these kind of videos trending. I tried recreating so and so's video, so I thought I'd go ahead and try and recreate Malvika Sitlani's video. The reason why I chose Malvika Sitlani is because her makeup tutorials are very precise and very informative. She also has amazing huge lips and my lips are also kind of big, so that's why I relate to her. I've personally met her and try to insert the picture somewhere here. It's really down to her. This is why I have chosen Malvika Sitlani and I decided to go ahead with the reddish black smoky eye. Without any further ado, let's do this. Now she starts off by using MAC's Prep and Prime moisturizer, but I'm going to use the Prep and Prime spray instead as I don't own the moisturizer yet. She's taking the PAC Pro primer. I do not have that, so I'm going to be using the LA Pro Girl primer instead. She focuses a lot on entire this area, like the nasal area. So I'm going to really put in a lot of primer in this area and really try and close those pores. The Sephora Dropper Foundation, but I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation instead. It's also one of her top go-to favorite foundation. Now I've dotted it all over my face. She's using a beauty blender to blend all of it inside. So that's what I'm going to do. Concealer, she's doing the LA Pro Conceal, but I am going ahead with the MAC Studio Fix Concealer. Is also her go-to favorite concealer. She just dips her finger in and she just slowly presses her under the eye area, sponge and blend it in. Highlighter, she's using the Estee Lauder, but I'm using the Fit Me, which is again one of her concealers that she likes to use. Now she only likes to do a little portion under the eye. She doesn't like to create that big triangle which is under the eye. So I'm gonna do the same thing. She blends it again using the Beauty Blender. She bakes her face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I really want to get my hands on that. Try and get my hands on that very soon, but as of now, I'm using the Johnson's baby powder to bake my face. I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Fresh White Compact Powder. I'm using the Bella Voste Brown Brow Pencil. Then she sprays the Fix Plus all over her face to soak all the powder into the skin. Then she's taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills. She's taking the shade Raw Sienna, but I'm using the Makeup Academy Professional Matte Collection palette and I'm taking this shade right here because it is kind of similar to Raw Sienna from that palette. On a blending brush, and she's starting from the outer corners of her eye. And she's like creating an outer V towards the corner and she's going all over the trees. I'm going to take the LA Girl Neons palette and she's taking color which is very similar to this, only on the smaller outer corners. Same previous palette that I used and taking the black shade from here, applying that with a flat brush. Please scared with this part because it's black. If I make some mistake, it's gonna get screwed up. I'm gonna go in and blend everything. She's touching up with a similar berry color, applying that on the corners. Again, she's smoking out the bottoms with the same reddish kind of color. And then she's taking black. She's highlighting her eyes with a very blinding highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead with the next Make Beautiful and the shade right here because that's the closest to what she has applied. And then she's putting it under her brows. some kajal on my waterline. Just taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational. The Makeup Revolution Contour Setting Powder. This puts light pressure onto her hands and then contours her face. That's what I'm gonna try and do. Contouring her nose with the same powder. She always goes in with a beauty blender here to make sure that it's blended. So I'm using the same Make Me Beautiful bronzer and I'm going to bronze that onto my skin just like she's doing. She's holding it sideways and blending all of it, so that's what I'm doing right now. Maybelline Cheeky Glow in the shade Cinnamon Brown. She puts a little bit of it on the nose as well to give a natural kind of effect. She's using the Heat Wave highlighter from Estee Lauder, but she also loves the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, so that's what I'm gonna get on my face. So even I did put on these random lashes that I got off Amazon. It's clear in the shade 15A. Using Fix Plus for the third time. And that's the final look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon, comment down below and like and share this video.